How to modify the central control of Land Rover chassis. First, let's open the side panel of the right L outlet. Remove the panel in the left foot of the co-pilot. Then remove the leather panel above the right storage box, and remove the co-pilot L outlet panel and the rectangular storage box. Use tools to open and remove the gear panel. Remove the cable on the back of the lock button. Use tools to twist the left panel to loosen the screws, and remove the leather panel under the L outlet. The cortical panel on the right side of the steering wheel was also removed. Then loosen the screws, the panel under the dashboard. Remove the original radio sidebar. Loosen the mounting screws to remove the original car radio panel and remove the plug. Remove the original car screen and disconnect the plug. Remove the original radio hose and plug in our power protocol cable. Put him back for recovery. Then install our product screen and turn it on for testing. You can enjoy watching movies on the big screen. You can also play the music you want to listen to online. Thank you for watching.